Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to download Binance application on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Go to your App Store and tap on the search button at the bottom right. Now search for Binance in the search box. Once you find the application, simply tap it on and tap on Get in order to download. Now from the pop-up, tap on Install and wait for the download to begin. Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange that provides a platform for trading various cryptocurrencies. It is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchange on the planet, and after the application is downloaded, you can simply tap open the application and there you go. That is how you can easily download Binance application on your iOS device. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.